Hi everybody, see, this is the newborn baby, and this is the sample. We test the mold. See that? Just test the mold. So it is the newborn baby. This is the female, and this is the two body. One is male and one is female, and the head and leg and the hand, they are shared together. Welcome everybody to Center in Tours. Hi everybody, this is another new model, nursing baby. Nursing. This is the sample just we made from the mold, test the mold. This is scaled into the body, and this is the surface skin outside. This is the male, female outside surface, just to like this. It is one part, and this is another female, another model. So see, just we test the mold to make out. And this is the mold for this nursing baby. This is the scale into inside. This is the scale, head scale, and this is the outside skin outside. This is accessory. This is the body. This is the scale into the body, just like this part. And this is skin. This is skin, and leg and hand accessory. So all here. See every part into here. This is the one full set mold for this nursing baby.